Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we will start our first lesson of basic qaida. We learn today ta'awuz and tasmiya in three parts. This is very easy method. Pronounce each letter separately. Breathe for each letter, okay? How can? A'udhu, a'udhu. Don't say a-u, no. A'udhu, because a is hamza and u is ayn, okay? A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Don't say minash shaitan, not tuwa. minash shaitanir rajim. Shaitanir rajim. Shaitanir rajim. Again. A'udhu billahi. Ha is he like this. Billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Tasmiya bismillahir. Bis sin sakhti. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Ha, not ha. Ha. Nirrahim.